Hi guys, this is the channel where we talk about toys, gadgets, wristwatches, and all the things that men like to collect. Today we're going to do a little bit of an update on one of my favorite actors of all time and one of my favorite film and television franchises of all time, Star Trek. But also we're going to do a quick unboxing of the NTH Nacken. Welcome to Timberwolf's Den. Okay guys, I'm about to go away for a week on a quick business trip, so I just wanted to do this quick video today. First order of business, of course, is a wristwatch check. Today I'm wearing my modded Seiko SKX 007. This one is modded with an olive drab green Cerakote coating. And I'm wearing it on a military green dado strap. So first, let's talk about some breaking news, which really just broke in the last 48 hours or so. It's something very, very exciting for me. And that is that one of my favorite actors of all time, Sir Patrick Stewart, will soon be reprising his role as Captain Jean-Luc Picard in an upcoming series of Star Trek. We don't know a lot of details about it yet. We only know that it is going to be a new series. We know that it's going to be carried on CBS All Access. But for me, all I need to know is that Patrick Stewart is in it, and that kind of hints that it is set in the same timeline as TNG and should happen after the events of TNG and the TNG movies. So that alone is enough reason for me to get really, really super excited. I actually met Patrick Stewart about 8 years ago at the Chichester Theatre Festival. Just one of those chance encounters. He happened to be performing. My wife and I went and saw him. We hung around backstage waiting for him after the show. And I've met a lot of celebrities in my time because of the work that I was doing in the media industry. But this was the first time I can ever remember that I was well and truly starstruck. Like, I couldn't say a damn word. And my wife did all the talking because I just couldn't say anything. I was just so in awe of the fact that I was meeting him, and I shook his hand and everything. But I did manage to take a photo of him, and I can't think of another photo where I'm grinning bigger than this. But anyways, it was a really, really special moment for a big Star Trek fan like me. Now, because we're on the topic of Patrick Stewart and Captain Jean-Luc Picard specifically today, I wanted to just share a little item from my action figure collection here in the den. And this is a Picard Tapestry, okay? So sometime in the I believe it was in the early 90s, Playmates, the company that was making Star Trek figures at the time, decided they were going to make a very, very limited run of a particular action figure, and that's this one. This is Captain Picard as he appears in the TNG episode Tapestry, wearing kind of like a classic Wrath of Khan style uniform. They only made 1,701 of them, and there was a lot of fan outrage at the time because by making a very, very limited run of action figures, you were basically immediately driving the price up of these things. And I managed to snag one in Hong Kong. I can't even remember how much I paid for it. But I do remember that it was a steal considering that it had already been opened. And I have no idea what it's worth nowadays, not that I'd ever sell it. But anyway, this one is number 1040 of 1,701 Tapestry Picards. Very, very special one. And one of the favorite action figures in my collection. I actually have two Picards. The other one in his more traditional uniform, and I also have, of course, the rest of the TNG crew. And maybe I'll feature that in a later video. All right, Star Trek news is over. Let's quickly go now to my video of the unboxing of the NTH Nacken, a watch that I had actually pre-ordered months ago. I think I was part of the second batch of orders of this particular watch. Let's take a quick look at the video. All right, so it's been some months since I first ordered this, and so I'm really, really, really looking forward to opening it. And here we go. Look at that. Thank you, Miguel. Enjoy your new NTH from John Keel. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, John. Really looking forward to it. Look at all that stuff. Cool. All right. And here we go. Woohoo! Look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, yes. Yeah, I guess it opens that way. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. There it is. Look at it. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Okay guys, that'll do it for today's video. I told you it was going to be a really quick one. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this video, please remember to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And please remember to hit that bell icon so that you will be reminded of all future videos that I upload. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, Timberwolf out. Make it so.